Synergy Exam 2022 registration form is out and last date for submitting form is 6th of June 2022 till 1800 hours. Exam date is in between 21 to 24 June as still not confirmed by Synergy. On 23rd of April, exact date will be announced. Welcome to Marine Red Fox. If you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe us. Check out the link of the registration form in the description box. In this video, I will tell you step by step how to apply this form and what is the eligibility criteria in order to appear for the Synergy Exam 2022. Plus, we will discuss exam pattern, syllabus and fees. Now, I'll tell you registration process step by step. Once you click on the given link in the description box, you will directly reach to this Synergy exam registration web page. You will see two options, sign up and login. Press the sign up and fill all the information, name, email ID, phone number, password, etc. Click on the sign up after providing the correct information. As you can see, your account is created successfully. Here are some instructions to make your account active. One link is sent to your registered email ID from where you can directly open the exam form. This is the exam form for Synergy. All information related to exam will be given here only. Time, no refund policy, some instruction, etc. Let's see important things one by one. Last date of registration for the DNS candidate is 2nd of May 2022 till 1800 hours and date of exam for them is 17th of May 2022. Last date of registration for Deck Cadet exam, Engine Cadet exam, GP rating exam, Graduate Marine Engineer Sponsorship exam, Trainee General Steward exam is 6th of June 2022 till 1800 hours. Now let's see the eligibility criteria for these exams. First, we start with eligibility criteria of Deck Cadet. First, you should have born after 1st January 1998. Second, at least have 65% in PCM and overall aggregate should also be at least 65%. Fourth point, in English, separately score at least 60% marks in 12th. Last points, should have completed pre-C training or should be appearing in final semester exam of the course in Maritime Training Institute. Now, eligibility for Engine Cadet exam. You should have born after 1st January 1996, scored at least 65% in PCM, and overall aggregate should also be at least 65%. In case of diploma, should have aggregate of 65%. Should have obtained 60% marks in English in class 12th or diploma. Last points, should have completed pre-C training or should be appearing in final semester exam of the course in Maritime Training Institute. After this, eligibility for GP rating exam. Should have born after 1st January 1998. Should have scored 50% marks in class 10th. Should have completed pre-C training or should be appearing in final semester exam of the course in Maritime Training Institute. Eligibility for DNS candidates. Should have born on or after 1st August 2002. At least scored 65% in PCM and also have 65% overall aggregate. Should have obtained 60% marks in English in class 10th or 12th. Last points, should have passed class 12 or equivalent or should be appearing in class 12 exam in year 2022. Now, eligibility for GME entrance exam. Should have born after 1st January 1998. Scored at least 65% in PCM in class 12 and also having overall aggregate as 65%. In case of diploma, should have aggregate of 65%. Should have at least 60% marks separately in English subject in class 12th. Last points, should have completed BTech BE in mechanical engineering or should be appearing in the final semester exam of BTech or BE in mechanical engineering. In the last, no refund policy. There will be no refund to the candidates in any circumstances. Start with the profile. Give correct details, upload good quality photo with proper given dimensions, and after this register for Synergy exam. Now click on the Synergy application column. On this page you will see 5 different exams. Click on the apply button accordingly. You will proceed to this page directly by clicking. In this you will give your personal details, communication details, and after that education details. Now last step is submit and pay the fees. For more updates, join my Telegram group, and if you have any questions then you can directly ask me on Quora also. Link is in the description box.